Hey everybody, happy Friday and happy last day of me teaching you. Today is my last day of student teaching, so before we go through the page, I just want to say thank you all for being great communicators during distance learning. I think we went through with not a whole lot of problems, so good work on that. Thanks for making it easy for me. So now Mrs. Egan will take over. She's going to be the one instructing everything. If you have questions, you can go to her for those and be nice to her. Okay, she needs it. So for today, we're going to talk about dating conflict resolution and kind of tie in everything that we've worked on this week. That's me saying bye. For the slides today, you can listen to the narration here. It's about 10 minutes, and then it goes through the worksheet as well. Today's worksheet might be a little bit confusing, so I'm going to take you through that quick before I let you go here. So there's two parts. The first part, you're going to need to kind of mix and match. Okay, so you're going to read through the list of conflict situations that can typically happen in a high school dating relationship. Okay, those 8 reasons or situations are right here. Then you're going to choose a conflict situation to match each common problem characteristic. Okay, so you're going to read this incomplete information. He, I, she didn't hear the whole story. You're going to go up and you're going to take one of these situations. So let's say number 5. You're going to put it in situation number right here. Okay. So there's 8 of these. There's only 6 of these. So there's going to be 2 situations that you do not use. So we're just trying to see if you can see a situation and then relate it to the characteristic as well. Then you're going to kind of get creative and write 2 stories here. Story 1 is going to have an unhealthy conclusion. Story 2 will have a healthy conclusion. Both stories are going to start at the time of the conflict, and they're going to conclude with the couple staying together. So your solution can't be for the couple to break up. You have to think of a way for the couple to work together and stay together in the end. So you're going to listen to today's lesson, use that knowledge to create the story. Okay, so these are some ideas of how you can handle conflict poorly in a situation over here and more correct over here. Okay, then you're going to choose one common problem characteristic and the situation you paired it with. So from part 1, you're going to write them in the top of the chart on the next page. Okay, so put your characteristic, put your situation. Okay, and then write story 1 on how this couple would use a negative style. So either accommodating, avoiding, competing with this situation. Plan it out all the way to the end. And how is it dealt with? Then for story 2, you're going to use a positive style. So either the compromising or the collaborating. You're going to do the same thing, write the story through to the end. Okay, so just make sure you're answering all the questions and filling in the boxes very complete, and you should be good to go. All right, have a good weekend. Finish the school year strong. Let me know if you guys need anything.